What's going on, guys? It is a rainy, crappy Saturday. It's supposed to rain all day today, so I'm not doing much. But I'm, thinking of stuff I could do to the 4runner because it's back. It has brand new suspension. The XREAS stuff is gone, thank goodness. That stuff was leaking hydraulic fluid everywhere, and it was really harsh ride. So that's gone. Got new wheel bearings up front. It's been looked at by two of my buddies who are mechanics. Truck's pretty good. I am going to be fixing the frame. The frame doesn't need fixing. It just needs to be scuffed and properly undercoated. So that's what I'm going to be doing. And today I was looking online about free mods, because I'm all about free mods on the 4runner, and taking the hydrocarbon filter out of the airbox is like a must-do. It increases gas mileage and it increases power and throttle response, so I'm all for that. So I'm gonna take you guys along with me and show you exactly what I'll be doing. We're gonna need a trusty 10 mil, and that's pretty much all the tools we're gonna need to take the airbox. Here's the airbox. The engine compartment's really clean in here, so that's the only thing I think we have to undo on this guy. I replaced my headlights too with LED bulbs yesterday that I had sitting around, so that's cool. So it's just really easy clips. And I'm gonna put the phone down and wiggle this guy out. We're just gonna unplug the MAF. There we go. And then this should come up and out. So mine has the factory hydrocarbon filter in here. I'll show you guys the link. I'll put it in the description, the one that I'm following. But it basically says to snap off a couple of these and then just slowly take it off. So that's what I'll be doing, because these little tabs are melted from the factory. So I'm going to try and figure out how to do that, and I'll let you know the best way that I found. All right, guys. So what I did is I just gently drilled the center of the plastic rivet out, and I'm going to clean what's behind it, and I'm just going to slowly pull from each point. Looks like there's 6. All right, that worked like a charm. So yeah, I just used a 1/8 drill bit slowly just to get the head of the rivet off. Then I used a pry screwdriver just to pop it through here, through the netting, and it was enough to pop the corner, and I just slowly popped them all. So I'm gonna go and clean all these up and should be good to go. But yeah, supposedly this does a lot, so we'll see. All right, she's all cleaned up. I gave it a wipe down inside. There was some dust in there. I don't know if it's just from this thing being old and kind of gross, but that's out. Let's go install this guy back. Obviously, it's just a complete reversal of the D-stall. Make sure all the clips are perfectly seated. Super easy airbox to take off and filter change. Can't forget this up here. Again, I'm gonna have to have 2 hands for this because I'm gonna line it up to that notch and then retighten it. All right, she's fully put back together. I didn't end up moving it to this notch because it was just unnatural. It was really stretching the accordion stuff out this way. So I actually think it's supposed to sit like that. I'm gonna quickly jump on Google and just check it out, just to make sure. But she's fully seated. Everything's good to go. Hey, what's up, guys? I just wanted to give you an update on the hydrocarbon filter that I took out of the airbox on the 4runner. And it definitely added throttle response, and it sounds like a grumbly V8 now. So that's kind of what I was going for. I also ordered a AEM dry flow air filter for it. I didn't want to go with the K&N because I just did a quick, again, research, and again, some guys have had issues, some haven't. I just wanted to avoid issues altogether, and I do use the AEM dry flow filters in my Subarus with much luck. So instead of potentially gumming up the mass airflow sensor or the throttle body after I clean it and put too much oil on it, I decided to veto that decision and just go with a dry flow and not have to worry about that. So I will put the link of the dry flow in the description. I bought it on Amazon. I think it was $67 shipped with tax in and shipping, all that. So it's pretty good. But as always, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you're gonna do this mod, be careful and take those plastic rivets out very carefully. Again, I used a drill very slowly. You don't wanna go through the top of the airbox, or maybe use snips. I didn't even try that. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, check out other videos on the channel, and subscribe. All right, peace.